Let's start. The project name is Edittext Textwatcher. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. Here, we have an edit text, with enter name as a hint. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the edit text. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. Also, the main activity implements Textwatcher interface. The interface has 3 overridden methods, which we will see later. This is the edit text. In onCreate function, we have added the text changed listener to our edit text. Let's see the Textwatcher functionality. First, we have before text changed method, which is called before the text in an edit text is changed. Then, we have onTextChanged method, which is called when the text in an edit text is changed. Here, we have shown a toast, which displays whatever we type in the edit text. And last, we have afterTextChanged method, which works similar to onTextChanged, but the difference is in the parameters. Let's run the app. As you can see, whenever I type something in the edit text, the onTextChanged method gets called, and that text gets displayed in the toast. So that's it. That's how you can use Edittext Textwatcher in Java Android. Thanks for watching.